Yeah, hi, good morning everyone. This is Rajesh Palwar from the technical desk. I just take you through the Nifty as well as the USD and a technical view for the day. In the last trading session, Nifty opened on a positive note, but from the opening tick, we have seen that there was a selling pressure witnessed in the market, and Nifty ended with a 63-point loss at 8520 level compared to the previous trading session. So in the last trading session, Nifty has given the breakdown of 8550 level on the closing basis, which is a negative development on the near term chart front. Nifty has formed a long bearish candle indicating that there is a sustained selling pressure at the higher level. Nifty is continuously forming lower top lower bottom formation on the daily chart, indicating there would be negative bias in the near term basis. So if you look at the chart pattern, the 8560 8570 are the immediate hurdle for the Nifty for any kind of pullback action. So until unless Nifty not crosses 8570 level on the closing basis, it will remain under selling pressure, and whenever we get any kind of pullback action, will meet to the supply pressure. However, on the lower side, 8500 is the immediate and important support area for the Nifty for this corrective move. If Nifty managed to hold this support area, then some sort of bounce back action or pullback action we can witness in the market in near term basis. But again, 8580, 8600 are likely to act as a resistance area. Nifty is trading below to its 20-day simple moving average, which is a sign of negativity on the near term basis. So trend will remain negative on the near term. And on the short to medium term, the trend is still positive as the Nifty is holding its ground on the short to medium term breakout levels. We expect Nifty to remain in a broad consolidation range of 8900 to 8500. This could be the broad consolidation range we can expect for further more trading session. And for the day, 8545 is the important level to watch for. If Nifty holds and crosses this level, then we may see some sort of bullishness. And on the higher side, 8570 8590 are the resistance area for the day. On the lower side, 8480 8440 are the support area for Nifty for any kind of corrective action below 8545 level. Now moving to the stocks front, some positive bias stocks for the day are DHFL, Apollo Hospital, Ashok Leyland and PL. Negative bias stocks for the day are Havells, Bharat Forge, Exide Industry, Tech Mahindra and Sun TV. Now moving to the USD view, in the last trading session, USD closed at 66.97 with a gain of 0.16% compared to the previous trading session. In the last trading session, we have seen some sort of buying interest in the USD and USD managed to close above 66.95 resistance area, which is a sign of positive development on the near term chart front. So USD is approaching towards its crucial resistance area of 67 level. If USD managed to cross and close above this level, then we might see fresh buying action in the USD and it may scale up in the range of 67.20 to 67.40 in coming trading session. However, on the lower side, 66.85 66.70 are the support area for any kind of corrective action. If USD managed to give the breakdown of 66.70 level, then again it will continue its down move, and we may see fresh selling to initiate around those level. That's it. Thank you.